Want to level up your video editing for YouTube? Here's how to improve in under 2 minutes. Step 1. Learn the basics. Start by mastering the basics, trimming clips, adding transitions, and adjusting audio levels. These simple skills are the foundation of every great video. Step 2. Use templates and presets. Save time with templates and presets. Most editing software has built-in options for intro/outro sequences, color correction, and more. This helps your videos look polished without a ton of effort. Step 3. Focus on audio. Audio is crucial. Use clear, balanced sound. Background music should enhance, not overpower your voice. Don't forget to adjust levels to avoid distortion, especially during key moments. Step 4. Add text and graphics. Text and graphics can make your videos more engaging. Add captions for clarity, use lower thirds for key points, and incorporate simple animations to keep viewers interested. Step 5. Experiment and practice. Finally, experiment with different styles and techniques. The more you practice, the better you'll get. Don't be afraid to try something new or even ask for feedback. That's it. Improve your editing skills by focusing on the basics, audio and graphics. Stay consistent and you'll notice your videos improving fast. Hit subscribe for more editing tips.